News Coordinating Minister, Honorable Minister of Information, my colleagues, Honorable Ministers, the press. Just briefly, today the FEC ratified a presidential approval, given for, augmentation on a project in Garam, Guri, in Yobe State. The FEC approved additional 15 billion because that project was awarded in year 2022, and the total length was 32.2 kilometers, and the cost was 40 billion. So 15 billion is being used to review it because of the price increase in construction material. So FEC approved that. Also, FEC also ratified, presidential approval, to favor of Mrs. Wiz China Worldwide on a project phase 2 of Yola Fufure Gurin Road. And, phase 1 has been completed. That is 17.84 kilometer. And phase 2 is remaining 20 kilometer and has been approved for 15.246 billion. The FEC also approved the full business case, for the operate and maintain of Lagos Ibadan in favor of Mrs. Aspect Concession Company Limited under the modified Swiss challenge approach, including benchmarking against comparable PPP highway corridor models and industry best practices. Let me also report that in this corridor, I reported to FEC about the deteriorating situation on Lagos, the completed Lagos Ibadan, especially on the section that was completed by Julius Berger. The Ibadan axis, Ibadan bound, is failing very badly. If you go there, you see, rotting, and it's just folding, it's folding, and it's very dangerous for vehicular movement. And so, Mr. President directed that we should use due process to procure that Lagos Ibadan to be done on concrete, technology. Good news to the people of Niger State. The project that was awarded to CGC far back in 2022, where you have, in some cases, we have had vehicles, trucks, falling down where people were coming to scope, fuel. We lost a lot of people, there. And we put us together with Honorable Minister of Information, and we approached Mr. President, and he said we should, allow Dangote, who also has major investments along that corridor, to do it. So we rescoped the project from CGC and made available a total of 400.9 kilometers of the route, and we call it dualized, which means that you have about 810 kilometer, 0.8 kilometer, because it's 14 meter wide, which is 7 meters. So the idea is that we may have to increase it to a standard lane, along the line, but we have to start. So the total that is approved under Dangote tax credit is 1.8325 trillion naira. And then lastly, FEC approved a total of, 23 projects in 10 states of the Federation, totaling a total of 2.0, yeah, the total cost of the project is 2.078 trillion. 23 projects in, states of Adamawa, Taraba, Ebonyi, Kwara, Cross River, Kogi, Lagos, Niger, and Plateau states. And the projects, sizes and the contractors, are listed against these 23 projects. I'm sure that you get the specific, names, but you have a construction of Tungo Karamati Road with 5 bridges between Adamawa and Taraba states, in favor of with China Worldwide Engineering, 62.993 billion. We have construction of Jimeta, Mayoni, Mayo, Belewaro with bridges in Adamawa State. Reinforced concrete design in favor of tractor, 83 billion. You have a construction of Abakaliki Afikpo Road in Ebonyi State, 21 kilometer dualized in favor of SKCC, 116 billion. We have the construction of Ijere Road, Ondo State, in Ekiti State, in Ondo State and Ekiti State, 18.1 kilometer in favor of Mrs. Lumkate Engineer Energy Limited, 34 billion. We have construction of 13 kilometer Badeku Jayo Road in Ibadan, Oyo State, in favor of JRB, 15.59 billion. We have a reconstruction of Enugu Abakaliki Road plus flyover international market to Ebsu Gate using concrete in favor of SKCC in the sum of 86 billion. We have dualization of Oyo Old Alignment, Oyo to Ijawaya to FJGC, Oyo State to Ilora Road with a spur to Akinomeri to Oyo State Road in favor of HMF Nigeria Limited, 217 billion. You have the rehabilitation of Yola Hongo Mubi Road in Adamawa State, phase 2, in favor of AG Vision in the sum of 58 billion. You have construction of road embankment shoulders and the carriageway pavement on Amasiro Posi Federal Road plus flyover in favor of Reinforced Concrete Limited, 46 billion. You have rehabilitation of Ibeti Igo Road in Oyo State in favor of True Crete, 82 billion. You have construction of flyover bridge at Akolowo Junction in Kwara State in the sum of 21 billion. You have construction of Adiku, Ajayo, Tesi, Adakoyeni, Obudu Road in Benue Cross River State in the sum of 86 billion. We have construction of Igo Soro Kishi Road in Oyo State in favor of CBC in the sum of 74 billion. You have dualization of Ilorin Ogbomosho Road, dual carriageway, in favor of SKCC in sum of 276 billion. You have reconstruction of Ishei Ipapo Agebesi Road in the Lesha Barawu Road, Oyo State and Kwara State in the sum of 265 billion. You have construction of Ogbomosho Oko Ilobu Road in Oyo State and Osun State in favor of Halix Matrix in the sum of 110 billion. New flyover to Ukwacha and Isheke on the ongoing Transara Road in favor of H-Link, 26 billion. Construction of Idi Araba Ayede Ololo Road, Iwo Ata, 30 kilometers in favor of SKCC, 98 billion. Rehabilitation of Ilorin Omuran, Egbe, Kaba, Obajana Road, sections 1 and 2 in Kwara State and Kogi State in the sum of 104 billion. Construction of Pacific Major Road, linking Igbe Lare Ikorodu Road in Lagos State, Lara Lake, 15.73 billion. Rehabilitation of Kaba in Kogi State to Efaki, Ado Ekiti in Gamiji Nigeria Limited, sum of 24.75 billion. Construction of Daban Mangi Road in Niger State, 52 kilometers in favor of Sail Through Construction Limited in the sum of 78 billion. And lastly, rehabilitation of Baban Lamba Sharam Phase 2 Road in Plateau State, Decency Associates in sum of 92.917 billion. FAKE was also notified that the first lot of Lagos, Kaduna, Abuja, Kaduna, Kano Road, 118 kilometers, 257 billion, is been completed under this administration. Most section of the road was done in reinforced concrete pavement. And at the last section, which is 164 kilometers, in reinforced concrete pavement, is ongoing and will be completed in November. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable